Okay, you guys ready for bed? Yeah, I'm ready for bed. Yeah, me too. No, guys, let's keep playing. But Sparks, we're tired. Yeah, we need energy for tomorrow. Yeah, bro. Let's just go to bed. No, I want to keep playing. But Sparks. Kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty cat. Oh no, it's the Super Kitty call. Let's go, Super Kitties. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-ha-ha-ha-ha-ha. Woohoo! Woohoo! Jenny! Woohoo! We're the Super Kitties! Let's go save the day! Jenny! Sparks! Buddy! Huh? What? Ooh! Huh? This is so soft! Huh? Oh! Oopsie kitty! And Bitsy! Super kitties! Supercharged! Sparks, line up the Super Kitty kit. Let's see who needs our help. Oh, hi, Sam and Eddie. What's wrong? Well, we were taking a nap until strange noises kept appearing and we're tired. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. Now animals won't be able to go to sleep. Come on, Super Kitties, let's go to see who's making these noises. But, I want to keep playing. Sparks? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see who's making these noises. Boom, boom, smash. Oh, Quaxley, this is so much fun. Now I don't have to go to bed and I can make all the noises I want. Mr. Puppypaws. Mr. Puppypaws. Super kitties. What are you doing here? So you're the one making all these noises. But why? Because I don't want to go to bed and I want to have fun. See? Me too. Sparks, now is not the time. Everybody is tired and they want to go to sleep because they need energy for tomorrow. Well, not my problem. Then we just have to stop you. Oh, you're not gonna stop me. Catch me. Okay, Mr. Puppypaws, you asked for it. Come on, let's go catch him. Bitsy Boots, blast off! Come here, Mr. Puppypaws. Furball Blitz! Claws out? Huh? Oh, no, you don't. You're so hilarious. Now, nothing would stop me from making too much noise. I'm gonna go to the park. I can enjoy a nice bam and peace. So long, super kitties. Oh no! Mr. Puppypaws got away, and it's all my fault. All I wanted to do was play, but I guess I got out of hand. Sorry, guys. It's okay, Sparks. It's good that you're back. Now, I know a way to stop Mr. Puppypaws. Psst, 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 psst. Oh, you're a genius. Let's go. But we have to be really quiet. Shh, follow my lead. Ooh la 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 la. Ew. What I'm making so much noise. Oh my gosh, I'm making so much noise, and nobody can stop me. Not even the super kitties. Speaking of super kitties, where are they? I'm sworn they're here somewhere. Furball Blitz! Oh no! Oh! No! It's over, Mr. Puppypaws. Why did you do it? Why did it make so much noise? Because I didn't want to go to sleep, and my owner makes me go to bed early. So I decided to make so much noise. I guess I'm sorry, super kitties. Yeah, I wanted to play too. But if you don't get your sleep, it's not healthy to stay up all night. So, did you learn your lesson, Mr. Puppypaws? Yes, I guess. I'm sorry. Well, it's good that you learned your lesson. Now let's all get to bed. Back in kittydale. Sparks and Mr. Puppypaws wanted to go to. They both wanted to play. But they learned that sleep is important. It's important to get your sleep. Otherwise, you might get too cranky. Plus, you need your energy for in the morning. And I'm taking that to heart. Good night, guys. Douche.